So you've soldered your circuit, and now we ask that you sort of heat wrap all of your joints so that they're not like metallic pieces that if you stuff them into whatever you're doing, see if they overlap like that, you could definitely have a short circuit. So what we would like you to do is to shrink wrap all of your material. We have some shrink wrap materials in the classroom. They look like this. There's also a big roll of them that looks like this. So the way this works is you cut off a piece and you basically decide how long you want it. This might be a little fat, but it should work. If I cut off a piece and I slide it along like this, put it inside. So now you can see the joint is sort of nicely covered up. This one is a little longer. I'm going to cut it a bit longer. So I'll do that. And when I slide it up, I've got it so that I don't have to worry about these two things overlapping. They're just going to be sealed from each other. So now, I mean, obviously this is coming off and on. It's not really the most ideal. So what you need to do is get your heat gun and give it a heat so that it can shrink. This is just a glorified hair dryer. So if I turn it on and then aim it at make sure it's in position. So you aim it at the shrink wrap. I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's already starting to shrink to like conform to that wire really nicely so that it's not going to move. Be careful, this is really hot. And you just slide it along. Okay, so now it's nicely in place and it's not going to move. It's a little hot still. But now if I need to squeeze this, maybe I'm putting this in an Altoid tin or a pen or some small thing. If I have to wind it up like that, I don't have to worry about the wires crossing. It'll still work. So we would like all your wires to be nicely and shrink wrapped like this. And make sure you take a picture as you go so that you can show us your work.